Hey skaters, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. I am Coach Julia and I'm so excited for today's video. We are going to be learning a beginner footwork sequence using 3 turns and mohawks. Now, if you remember, last year we had a Christmas program that I let all of you participate in. I put it all together and put it live on this page on Christmas Day, and we're going to be doing that again this year. And I am going to be including this footwork sequence, or the more challenging one I'm putting up on Thursday, in that Christmas program. So you're getting a sneak peek into the choreography of our Christmas program for this year. All right, so you can learn this just as a fun challenge for yourself, or you can learn it as a prelude to learning our Christmas choreography for this year. So I'm very excited. All right, you will want to have your forward 3 turns, both inside and outside edge, and your mohawks before we learn this sequence. So I will post links to those tutorials down below. But if you already know your 3 turns and mohawks, we can get started. Now this footwork sequence is going to be kind of shaped like a horseshoe. All right, so you can imagine it curving around with a little tail at the end. All right, so that's what it's going to look like. We are going to start with something called a power 3. Okay, that's just a 3 turn and a crossover combined. And I'm going to start by teaching that move by itself here on this line. Okay, so I'm going to be doing a left forward outside 3 turn. I have my right hand in front so I can check properly. So I'm going to go 3 turn. Now on the other side of the line, I'm going to step wide and cross over back towards the line. Okay, so that power 3 is a 3 turn on one side of the line, step wide, and cross over back towards the line. Okay, 3 turn on one side, step wide, cross over back towards the line. Okay, now we're only going to do one of those for the sequence, but you can go ahead and practice those power 3 turns on the line, and then we can fit them into this footwork sequence. All right, so that first step is going to be 1 power 3 turn. So we're going to do a left forward outside 3 turn, step wide, crossover. Okay, so that's our first move. If you want to give yourself a bigger challenge, you can repeat it twice maybe. I'm going to let you be creative with this. So go power 3, step wide, crossover. You could do another one if you want. Power 3, step wide, crossover. So that's the first section. The next thing we're going to do, so we cross the right leg over the left, and we're in this position. The next thing we're going to do is to step forward on our left forward outside edge, but we're not going to do another 3 turn, we're just stepping. Step and check, okay? So let me do that one more time for you. We're going to do power 3 turn, step forward and check. So we go power 3 turn, step forward and check. Okay, now that step forward and check allows us to get into some mohawks. So the next thing we're going to do is called a barrel roll. Now I've done a tutorial on how to do barrel rolls. I'll make sure I link that below as well, so you can watch that whole tutorial, but I'll do a little abridged version right now. Okay, so we are gliding forward on our left forward outside edge. Okay, we're going forward on our left forward outside edge. Now I'm going to do a right forward inside mohawk. Okay, that just means I'm starting with my right foot, stepping forward on my inside edge, and doing a mohawk. Okay, that's the first step. Now a barrel roll has 4 steps. We have mohawk, that's 1, 2. The next step is taking this leg in the back and crossing it over the front. That's the most challenging part for people, okay? So you have to be careful you stay backwards in that section. Okay, so we have barrel roll, mohawk, 1, 2, stay backwards and cross your leg over the front. That's the 3rd step. Then we take that leg that's stuck behind. Right now it's my left leg. You can see it's stuck behind the other leg. I'm going to bring it out and step forward on it. Okay, so you should have 4 complete steps for each barrel roll. All right, I'll run through that really quick one more time. If this is confusing, check that link below and it'll be a more complete tutorial on a barrel roll. 1, 2, cross 3, step out 4. Okay, so there's your barrel roll, and I want you to do that twice. So we have 1 power 3, 1 push forward, and then 2 Mohawk barrel rolls, okay? That's what we've got so far. I'll list all of this down below so you can see it in order what the steps are gonna be. So on that second barrel roll, we're gonna skip putting our foot down on that 4th step, all right? So we have 1, 2, 3, and then your foot's gonna come out like you're gonna step forward, but we're gonna do something a little different. So instead of stepping forward onto that left edge, we're actually gonna do a tap toe jump, okay? It's fun to have footwork sequences where we throw a bunch of different elements in. So for this, we're gonna throw in a little tap toe jump, okay? So I'll put that tutorial for the tap toe jump down below as well if you haven't learned that. So it's going to be Mohawk, cross, reach out. You're going to tap toe with your left foot, tap toe jump. Okay, so that 4th step of the barrel roll is the entry into a tap toe jump. All right, so we've just finished our tap toe jump. It's time to add the last section onto this footwork sequence. We're gonna do some right forward outside 3 turns in a waltz 3, all right? So I've done a tutorial on waltz 3s. I'll link that down below so you can really study that tutorial, but if you already know how to do them, I will go over them really quickly here. So I've landed my tap toe, and now I'm on my left forward inside edge, right? I'm in that nice checked out landing. I'm going to take my right foot, bring it forward. I'm going to switch my arms so I can check my arms nice and proper in this 3 turn. Go right forward outside 3 turn. Push back onto that left outside edge. Right forward outside 3 turn. Push back onto that left outside edge. All right, so we're going to do 2 of those waltz 3 turns. And that's the end of our sequence. So one last time, I'll run through the whole sequence and tell you what each move is. All right, so we're going to start with that left forward outside 3 turn into a power 3. So we have that right crossover. Step out onto the left forward outside edge. We're going to do our barrel roll, which is a Mohawk, cross, step out, Mohawk, cross, reach into a tap toe jump. Bring your right foot forward, right forward outside 3. Push back onto your left outside edge, right forward outside 3, push back onto your left outside edge, and there is this year's beginner holiday footwork sequence. Practice that sequence so that when I announce the choreography for our Christmas program in a couple weeks, you already have a head start with the footwork. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please do give us that thumbs up. And as always, I look forward to reading all your comments in the section down below. If you haven't done so yet, then hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell down in the corner so you can see all my videos when they come out. Happy skating, and I'll see you next time.